Hello, I'm Daniela and welcome to my channel. I really enjoy taking part in little bits of art. So I have lots of projects that I work on. Some are long-term, some are short-term. But I really enjoy the little short-term projects, 5 to 10 minutes at a time, where I can create something. I use it either as a warm-up for my big projects or a way to decompress. I find it very fun. And I found this wonderful online challenge called Watercolor Pebble-A-Day, where you create a simple pebble a day using watercolors, and then there are some other techniques you can add into this. This is done by the channel Mixed Media and Beyond. There are two fabulous artists, Jolene and Lucy. Each day in January 2026, they produce a prompt. They give you some ideas on how you can do it. It's a very beginner watercolor project that you can kind of play in. Each prompt can take you as little as 5 minutes or as long as you want if you want to make a day of it. If you want to binge it and just do it for a weekend, you can do that because their prompts are kept up all throughout the year. This was a very fun project when I stumbled upon, and I couldn't wait to get started. I found watercolor to be a fussy medium when I started to learn it, but I actually grew to love it. And the trick for that is just to play. And this workshop is all about playing. It's about figuring out things. The idea is you create a pebble. Pebble can just be a blob of a shape. It can be a perfect circle, or kind of oblong circle, an oval, or anything notched, anything like you'd find on a beach, or maybe even a walk, a garden, a forest. So it's very forgiving, and that's fun. So now that you have just a basic shape that doesn't have to look the same each day, you can play with colors. You can play with blending colors and removing colors. It's very simple. Now they have a little journal that they make, which is beautiful, but I wanted it to be even simpler. So I cut watercolor paper to 4.5 by 3 inches, and each day I'll have that prompt. And then I found some washi tape that has some beautiful earth tones. It reminds me of pebbles that you might find on a beach or in a garden. And so I included a little piece of washi on every single page. It's minor, it's very easy to do, but it just elevates it, makes it a little special. Now the beauty of it is if you make them in papers like that, if you really don't like what you've created, well, you just throw out the paper and start again. And that's kind of what I like about it. There's no pressure, it's just fun. And I have a beautiful little project to work on. At the end, I'll either tie them with ribbon, put them in a box, but I have all these different techniques that I've worked on. I can't wait to show you how I do it. And now I get to create. I'm going to create my pattern first. So I'm going to just create the shape of this pebble, just a simple oval. I know it's hard to see in the camera. It's also hard to see in real life. And now I'm just going to create some patterns, creating simple lines. And it's just fun to play with. If I like this technique, I can do it further with some other artwork. So now that I have a pattern, I can unveil it with some color here. I'll take this pink, create the outline here. Just a little bit of water just to show up where the pattern is. And now I'll just take a little darker pink and drop it in. I like the way that's coming out. I want to add a little bit of another color here, maybe a purple. Mix it in with that darker pink. It's kind of a blackberry color. And then I just put that on as well. Don't want to lose all the original pink, so I'll come back in with a clean brush. There I have a very simple stone. I love it. Pattern's cute and it looks good. So that's it. It's kind of fun. It's very easy. and I have all these great little pieces of art that I've worked on. They're not magnificent, but they're fun. I learned so much, I enjoyed it, and I had somebody else lead the workshop. Oh, bonus points there. If you enjoyed this video, please go over to their channel and give them a little love, and give me a thumbs up as well. Thanks for joining me today.